Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Server Settings. This is where names are stored. Right-click the server icon on desktop or tap the three dots on mobile, then choose Server Settings. Make sure you have Manage Server Permission. If not, ask the owner. Once in Settings, remain on the Overview tab. That's where the name field sits. You move fast because changing a name is a single field edit, but you must be in the correct panel to avoid accidental role or channel edits. Now you click the server name field at the top of the Overview tab and type the new name. Use a clear, concise name so members recognize the community. Discord allows up to 100 characters, but shorter is better. If you want consistent branding, also change the icon here, upload a square image, and Discord will crop it to a circle. Once typed, pause and review spelling and punctuation, because the new name is visible instantly to all members. Finish by pressing Save Changes. This pushes the new name live immediately. After saving, make sure you verify the change by viewing the server header and asking a teammate to confirm they see it too. Inform moderators and members so they avoid posting outdated links. If Save Changes is disabled, check your Manage Server Permission and any role restrictions. Removing and reapplying your role can refresh permissions. If problems persist, log out and back in, or contact the server owner for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.